my. This is unexpected. Hello, welcome to Otis Place. In today's video, I'm going to try out guava leaf on my hair. Guys, I've heard so many good things about guava leaves for the hair. And since I have a number of guava trees in my house, I decided to try this out to see how my hair will respond to it. I've been reading up on it and it's something that has just interested me so much. Like I said, I have guava trees in my house, so why not try it? I don't need much of the guava leaves, I just need a little. I washed the leaves properly to get out any dirt that was in them. After washing it, I transferred it to a pot. Guys, I didn't measure, I just eyeballed it. What I just wanted was for the water to cover the leaves properly. After putting it in the pot, I put the pot on fire and let it boil for 20 minutes. That's what the instructions said. So I was following the instructions. This is my first time of using it. I let it boil for 20 minutes. You can see the color change. When it was ready, it just had a rich gold color. There's some particles in the water. I didn't want to leave any particles in my hair. After straining the water, I put it in a bottle to apply to my hair. Make sure you wear an old t-shirt. I've not used this before. I don't know what to expect, so I don't know if it's going to stain. That's why it's just safe to use something you don't mind staining. Let's get on with this application. I'm interested in seeing how and if it will work. Let me start. It has completely cooled down, so yeah. I want to use a spray bottle, but I don't know, I just decided to use this instead. I had my hair in two sections. The instructions said to apply it on hair that is freshly washed or on clean scalp, on a hair free of products. So my hair is in two sections and I'm going applying. I said earlier that you wear something you don't mind staining. Like normally when I apply, when I spritz water in my hair, detangling my hair gets really easy. It just gets soft. But for some reason, my hair was feeling strong with the application of this guava juice. Yes, I was wondering what was going on. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be, but I wasn't happy with how it was because normally when I just spritz water on my hair, it just gets soft and detangling it is easy. But this I noticed was a little stronger than it should have been. At this point, I was beginning to wonder if I did the right thing by trying this guava juice, but I'm already in it, so I just want to see it through. The guava leaf juice had a nice guava smell. I'm someone who loves guava a lot. I made sure I coated every part of my hair with the guava leaf water. And after applying it, I massaged. I'm going to do the remaining off camera so I do not waste your time. My whole hair has been covered with guava leaf water. I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap. I'm using a nylon bag. Guys, make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this guava leaf water. We're going to see what it did to my hair. Guys, my hair was stronger than I wanted it to be. I don't know, it was kind of hard. It wasn't as soft as I expected it to be. I'm hoping after covering it with a plastic cap and wrapping it with this head tie, it's going to be better when I take it down. With the way my hair is feeling, I'm hoping it doesn't damage my hair. Its hair is feeling too hard for my liking. This is not usually how my hair feels when I apply water to it. So I'm just hoping this thing doesn't damage my hair. I'm not allergic to guava. I know that I eat guavas a lot. I just don't know what is going on with the way my hair is feeling. But we're going to see. So, take it out. Guys, my plan was to leave this thing overnight, but because of how my hair was feeling when I was applying it, I just got scared and I've left it now for about 2 hours. To just I don't want to leave it overnight anymore. I'm going to take it out and see how it is. Ooh, feels kind of warm. Oh my. This is unexpected because when I was applying it, my hair was feeling really strong, but it's not as strong as I thought it was going to be. It feels quite soft and manageable. This is quite unexpected. I'm just going to wash it out and then see how it is. But yeah guys, this is how it is after about 2 hours. Feels kind of soft, way more manageable than it felt earlier. So guys, here is the washed hair. I just finished washing the hair. There's no products in the hair and it just feels normal. Nothing special about how it feels. But I think I don't know what I was expecting when I used the guava juice, but my hair just feels the same after washing it. Unlike how it was feeling strange when I was applying the guava juice. But it feels okay, it feels normal. This is normally how my hair would be. And I washed it without putting it in sections today. Just so see how it is. This is how it is, yeah. This is how it feels okay. Like I said, there's no product in the hair. Maybe if I want to see anything dramatic, it is something I have to use in the long term. It's not just something I try once and see amazing results. But like I said, this year is just a year of trying things out in my hair. I'm glad I've tried that and gotten it out of the way. I'll probably find more ways of incorporating it in my hair care regimen. It not hurt my hair, it not harm my hair. From what I've read about it, it's pretty good for the hair. So I'll just find a way of maybe just extending the period for which I use it to see if there'll be any dramatic effect. Guys, I want to know, have you used guava juice on your hair? Like I said, this year is just a year of trying out things, and since I have these things in my compound, there's no harm in trying them. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know about how your experience was, if you've used it before. If you've not, this is something you're willing to try, especially if you have it around your house, around your locality. Let me know also in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, click on that bell, that subscribe button, click on it, select the all option so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. And please give this video a thumbs up. It helps YouTube push out my videos to other people who like such content. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.